Hey guys, if you want to learn how to add images to your videos on Filmora, like this one, or less, then you're in the right place. Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Creators Theory. So in this video, we'll try to learn how to add images to our videos. So in a very simple way in Filmora. So if you're new to this channel, then do consider subscribing to our channel. We have amazing Filmora related content in our channel. And so without wasting any time, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial. So in this video, we'll look how to add images into a video. So first of all, as you can see in the bin, I've already added 4 media files. So one is video and 3 are PNG images. So first of all, to add any image into video, let me first add this video into the timeline, and let me just make it 1920 into 1080. So once this is added, as you can see, this is a simple video just for demo purpose. So I want to add this YouTube symbol A over middle over here. So what I will do, I'll just drag this symbol above the video. So when the video goes over here, as you can see, but the thing is, as you can see, the background in this image is black. So this is because this is an PNG image. So make sure you download a PNG image, and so some of the sources of the PNG where you can find some free PNG images I will show you in the screen right now. You can find them in the description as well. So, and there is another trick. If you have yourself you want an image of yourself, just yourself, to add this in the video, so you can create a normal image into a transparent background image. So I will link a tutorial in this video, so just check that in the description as well, or in the top right corner. So once I've added, so let me just select this image and drag it, make it a little smaller, and let me add it over here. So when this, let me click OK. So when this image plays, video plays, the image comes over here. But I want, so it was a simple image, so I want a little motion, a little animation for this image. So what I will do, I will double click and go to motions over here. And over here, see, there are multiple motions that you can select from. So I will be selecting the boom motion. So it will give a little pop-up animation to me, as you can see. Or you just want to add this person, as I told you, you can add your own photo as well. So let me just add Joe Rogan over here. Okay, let me just make him a little smaller and make him stand over here. That's a little funny, but so see, as you can see, this is a PNG image, that's why you are able to see the background. So just let me double click and add animation to it and click OK. Now when it clicks, as you can see, the image has appeared. So the next thing I wanted to tell you, many people have asked how should we point at this particular item if you want to point at a person. So how can we use arrows? So you can also, in the same way, download arrows from this sources that I mentioned for PNG images, or you can just go to elements. There are some free sources available for arrows and other things that you can check out. So I have arrows also over here, so let me just drag it. So once you have added the arrow, let's say that you want to point to this man. So just click on the arrow and reduce the size and just try to face it. So, and now let's play it. So as you can see, the arrow is getting pointed. So you can also use an image arrow if you want, and use the motion along with that. So that's it guys, with the tutorial on adding images to your videos. I hope it was interesting and you were able to learn something. So if you want to see more Filmora related tutorials, you can check out our channel. We have some amazing Filmora related tutorials. And if you are new to this channel and if you like this content, do consider subscribing. We are trying to create some amazing content related to Filmora, And so that's it guys, hope you guys like it. See you guys in another one. Till then, see ya.